He's back! Hi, I'm Sakina. Dance music with a track record in the dance hall, thanks in big part to the Energy God. The Willie Bounce DJ's new number, Classic Elephant Man. Find it a slice of old school dancehall, afloat in a sea of trap beats.
This is Elephant. This is something amazing happening right now in a dance hall again.
Me no tell you no the place I got turn up back again. Elephant man with the energy again. Dancers again, mad them no dance from when. How them fit say you
Down Sound delivers for Elephant Man with an old school dancehall number that sounds like a blast from the Energy God's past.
to them. Left side we find it. Elephant.
Find it a return to form by a colourful DJ known for his manic stage antics and dance-driven music. Elephant Man rising along with the Scare Them collective out of Seaview Gardens in the mid-90s.
How many girls hear them get when them ready? Many.
But leaving his fellow crew members behind after going solo near the end of the decade. Willie Bounce, Nolinga and Ponder River Pond the Bank among the hits that followed, as did record deals with Atlantic and Puff Daddy's Bad Boy label.
Tell them so we find it. Search and seek and find it.
In 2013, he performed at the BET Awards along with Beanie Man, Don Penn and Shaka Demus and Pliers. Elephant Man remaining among the big names, even when he'd fallen from the charts. Performance-focused dancehall no longer on the cutting edge, but many fans nostalgic for the days when Elephant Man could get everyone onto the dance floor. Find it an injection of humor and fun. Others doing it too, but only one Elephant Man.
We still keep up, we still give the fans them the thing, them pan some rhythm. Nice comments, but we never find it. Until we find it. And the people them say, Ellie, you find it.
Elephant man with the energy again. Dancers again, mad them no dance from when.
Finding fresh form involving participation from some old hands.
A Kirkle Love make two bad mind, left side make Ponder River signal the plane. Me and him are the whole team Anthony where musically them got it locked.
A production team at Down Sound engineering the follow-through.
The rhythm was there in its rawest form, presented to us, done by Kirk Love. This man put in 2 cents, this man put in 3 cents, and you don't know, on a collective basis, Joe hear it and we decide so we're going to run with this and we just write the song, and that's what you have, we find it. We always try to make nothing out of something. Nothing is wrong with that, but some of the times you have to find an artist who already have certain amount of traction, where you can already hit the ground running, and Elephant Man has been to the mountain top and back.
Move to the right, to the left and stop. Jump it again, select. Turn it up till it up.
When you have something with the people, I move to, like last night we were in Ochi Anthony, and when the selector drop, find it. Just to see how the people them move from input on the rhythm. Last night when we come up, boom boom in a hot Mondays again round a witty, just to see when the rhythm alone put on the song, everybody just a full joy themselves, and to just see you have the whole party in your hand. I say, Elephant, this our song for the Christmas. I'm like, yes, Father God, give thanks.
The dancer them find it. Watch out.
It's like whenever inch of the song, it's like I go on the balcony. I'm say, people, the moment you have been waiting for, and it's like every phone out.
Me no tell you no the place I got turn up back again.
Find it a departure from the new beats now in fashion. Do people get the desire to dance as much to a trap beat as a dancehall beat?
Well, dancehall beat them dance more, you know. You know what I mean?
Because of the heavier bass line.
And not really the heavier bass line, it's more time at the move. You know what I mean? People like see the move, the creativity.
So you see the vibe level go down at a party when you're playing a trap beat compared to a dancehall beat.
Yes, man. When me play dancing song, me like everybody a move.
So you have to work harder. If you're playing dancing songs and you're introducing a trap beat, you have to work harder to get people to still dance.
Yes.
How big a problem is it that beyond coffee on the international stage, music that's currently being made and being produced in Jamaica is not playing on international radio?
Because the artists are not good and the rhythms are American rhythms. A lot of the artists that are at the forefront, I can say this and them not feel like me, because most people don't like me. Them not good.
Who is at the forefront?
A lot of them.
Give me a name.
You have Six, Javelani, also when we don't remember them names.
And in a blanket way, you're saying they're no good?
If you put them on a stage show and give them superstar rhythm or country rhythm, they're gonna ask for a different rhythm. Now, my ratings of an artist that is ready is different from the internet kid. Because the internet kid is going to like the song because it has 2 million views. That does not impress me. What impresses me is when you go on a stage and you deliver the music on whatever track. Most artists, they used to groom themselves. They used to go to stage shows all over the country and be ready by the time them get a hit song. No, it's not like that. An artist may never go on a show before and sing a song and just have a catchy phrase and him bust. So when him go out there in the real world, on a real stage, to get real forward, it's not possible. Some of them, if them go outside of Kingston, no forward. I watch one of them perform the other night and he must sing out him live, and the way him look like him go to grab a chain or pick a pocket, and the people look on him like, this man look like a thief. So them not give him no forward. And him have one of the hottest songs in a dancehall. So them not understand, so it has to be with image, it has to be with how you carry yourself, and it has to be with how you deliver. It's not just having a song.
Free up on yourself for dancing time this. Elvis a wacky dancing iris.
Things change, but when the people them call for the big show, them are firing. Who you sit on it? Who I represent? Who I climb up on the something them and I take it to them and I signal the plane?
Visa?
Who have the visa?
Stop it again, selector. Turn it up till it up.
Big up to everybody we agree, but trap, dancehall, dancehall. The dancehall are the biggest thing. You understand? Shabba Supercat, everybody did it. Buju, everybody did it. So for me, when the people in my bar say it now gone away, it's because the music out here we are making now is the same thing like America R&B, and them have them R&B singer already. Them want to hear dancehall from we. Them want to hear the authentic dancehall, as me say. Nobody get me wrong. Big up to every artist, all of the youth them do them thing. But drop in little of the dancehall rhythm and little of the thing, brother, because here what? Them are going to end up go do a show of foreign, and when them go up on stage, by 5 minutes, people are say, so what else? Nicki Minaj just go, Danny Brownie, a girl hype up, are you washing already yet? Number 1, shots. So that means say, them are show you say, where we are run from, and where them love.
And dancing feet moving once more to something new from Elephant Man. It's been a while.
Don't say dance all boring, cause Ding Dang they represent and I do him thing. Big up Ding, big up Chichin, cause Chichin go him look a breadfruit them and him thing them too. So big up Ching. But when Elephant Man put the icing on the cake, you know me start this. When me put my little icing on the cake and say, all right, dancer, put on the shoes. Me represent for everybody. Me not represent for just one individual dancer. Me represent for Jamaica, Europe, America, everywhere. So them know, shit, it's on.
And the bling is out of control.
Let's go. Anthony Miller, thirst is nothing. Image is everything. Obey your image. Good. Shizzle.